Y'all, we got some little T-bone pork chops. We're gonna go ahead and throw them in that wood fire today. So we're grilling them up, kind of hot and fast style. Gonna give them some of that good smoke, but we're really quick, flip, and we're good to go with these bad boys. These are so thin, it's gonna take no time at all. It's about a ½ inch thick, give or take. We're gonna take them up to about 140 internal. So we're gonna use our little instant read thermometer. Literally gonna take a couple minutes each side. Gonna get them those great grill marks on there. Gonna give them that wood fire flavor. We got some apple pellets in there by Bear Mountain. I'll put a link down below if you wanna check them out. But guys, this is gonna be a simple video. We're gonna set it on grill setting medium, okay? I think high will take it a little too hot and fast. We wanna actually get it, cooked all the way through without burning the crap out on the outside, right? So, what we did so far is we got those pork chops seasoned up. Now I'm using Uncle Steve's Magic Ribs and More. This rub is great. I'm loving it. Give it a shot. Link down below. But it is perfect for pork, and we have pork chops. So 1 + 1 = 3, baby. We're gonna use that Magic Ribs. Nothing left to do but get this bad boy fired up. We got the pellets in the grill already. I just need to hit the dang buttons on the machine. We're using our XL Woodfire Grill today, but this can be done on your regular Woodfire Grill. So let's get started. Real quick before we get started, guys, listen, I have 4 cookbooks, e-cookbooks for the Woodfire Grills, and a bunch of recipes for the Woodfire Oven. Guys, if you haven't got them yet, links down below. You can get them individually at $5 a pop, or if you want to get all 4 at once, there's a bundle down below. 15 bucks for the bundle, save you $5. Hell of a deal. Get plenty of great recipes for that wood fire. All right, now let's get to the cook. Okay, grill plate is in there. I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. Hello, how are you? Good to see you, hope all is well. Grill setting, we're gonna go, so it's on low right now, defaulted. We're gonna take it to medium. Timing, 10 minutes is enough. All right, like it said, it's just gonna be a couple flips and we'll be good to go. We got that wood fire flavor button on. Let's hit start. We gotta let it go through the ignition process and the preheat process. So you're gonna see that smoke rolling, and then it needs time to get that grill plate up to temp, right? Guys, do me a favor. Hey, consider subscribing. We're doing a lot more content these days. I'd love to have you along for the ride. Hit the thumbs up too if you can. Comment down below what's your favorite pork chop recipe. Guys, all that like, share, comment, all that stuff helps with the algorithm, helps your boy grow on the channel. So I appreciate it if you do it. Also, I know you can grill with the lid open, but since we want that wood fire flavor to hit it, we want that smoke to hit the pork chops, right? We're gonna go ahead and put those pork chops on, shut that lid, give it that smoke while it's getting that sear too. About a minute, open it up, flip it, shut it down again. That way you're still grilling, but you're also getting that smoke flavor, that wood fire flavor, what we want on our pork chops. Right, okay. All right, let's get back to this. All right, saying to add the food. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna add that food. Get them chops on. Get that sizzle, baby. Gotta love that sizzle, y'all. All right, we wanna shut it down. Give us that wood fire flavor. All right, 1 minute, give or take, and then we'll give it the flip. Now the rub that I use, the barbecue rub that I use on this has a lot of sugar in it. So it should give us nice sear marks, that good caramelization, right? But this will go very quickly. Minute, flip, minute, and check on it with the instant read. Should be pretty close to being where we want to be. All right, let's get back down here. All right, minute's up. Let's give it a flip. Got them nice grill marks, looking good. All right, shut it down. Another minute, and we should be good. All right, y'all, another minute's up. Smoky. Let's take some temps. All right, 126, 120. All right, so let's go another ½ a minute or so. Give it a little bit more smoke, and we should be temping out where we want to be. Another temp. All right, 145-ish. All right, let's check out another one. All right, 144. All right, now of course you're gonna wanna let these rest, okay? Don't just slice into these. It's like any other protein that you grill. You wanna let them rest. Let those juices kind of redistribute back into the meat. If you cut it right now, juices would go everywhere. And these are gonna be some juicy pork chops. And of course, you know why? Say it with me now, because we cook to temperature, okay? We do not cook to time. If you wanna know time, look, about 5 minutes. I mean, it really ain't gonna take that much time. But we cook to temperatures around here. Right? Right. Nothing left to do but just let these chill out for a minute, and then we'll chop into them. You'll see how juicy and beautiful they are. Just like your boy, juicy and beautiful. All right, guys, come on back. Jesus. We waited long enough. Time to chop into one of these bad boys. So these are the T-bone style. So you got the loin right here, the strip, and then little fillet, little tenderloin style, I guess. Let's chop into it. What do you say? I'm gonna go kind of right through the middle here. See, we get a little close up here. You guys can see the juices are running. Gorgeous, beautiful color, nice and juicy, baby. We got a little bite right here. Sorry, it's a little breezy. You got the wind chimes going. That's all right. Got a bite, nice and juicy, lovely. Freaking too damn tasty. Get that Uncle Steve's magic ribs. Stuff is really, really damn good. Pork chops are perfect, perfectly juicy, perfectly flavored, perfectly tasty, baby. Guys, what else can I say? When you cook to temperatures, you're cooking it right, baby. Listen, if y'all want to get one of these Woodfire grills, guys, hit the link in my video description. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything more to use, and it helps out your boy. For knives, cutting boards, merch, links are all down below for that stuff too. If you guys want to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that have already ran out and got some of Uncle Steve's shakes because they know they want their pork chops tasting like this. Sounds good to me. There are two ways to join up. Either you can hit the link to my Patreon in the video description, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.